Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can increase or decrease the flashlight brightness on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. In here, you can tap on the flashlight icon to switch it off or turn it on. When it is turned on, you can see there is a status icon at the top here in the camera dynamic island. And on that, I can also tap on it to switch it off. To change the brightness, you can touch and hold on the flashlight icon. So here, touch and hold. Then from this screen, you can drag on the bar. So drag it up or down to decrease or increase the brightness. And that's it. So if you drag all the way down, you are switching it off. If you drag it all the way to the top, you are increasing the maximum brightness. And that's it. So tapping on that will allow you to switch it on or off, quickly switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.